peas. Make some airplane peas. Oh, Cole sneezed. Bless you. Can you say bless you?
Bless you.
A good job. Oh, airplane peas. Oh my goodness. You ate quite a big handful of peas. Airplane peas. Cole doesn't want any airplane peas. Those peas are for Isabella. Airplane peas. Oh, he found some more airplane peas. Oh, big bite. Big bite of airplane peas. Oh my goodness. What a big bite. Airplane peas. Airplane. Yeah. Airplane. What does the airplane say? Oh my goodness, look at all those airplane peas. Airplane peas. What does the airplane say, Isabella? What a big bite of peas.
Go. So hot.
Are they hot? Did you blow on them? Oh, oh my goodness, a little cough. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at all those peas. Airplane peas. Airplane peas. Oh, big bite. Big bite. Oh my goodness, such a big bite.
Like it.
You don't like it? Are you all done, peas? All done, peas? What do you want?
Okay.
What? Do you see a pea on the counter? Yeah. Are you all done, peas? All done, peas? Oh, there's one. You found it.
Those.
And those? What are you going to do with those? You're going to eat those? Another one. And another one? Airplane peas? Oh my goodness. You got those airplane peas. You got those airplane peas. Uh-oh, no airplane peas to the doggy. No airplane peas for Cole. No. Yeah. Oh no, not on the floor, baby. Not on the floor. Are you all done?
The pea.
Yeah, you dropped the pea on the floor. Mommy doesn't like it when you drop peas on the floor. Don't drop peas on the floor, okay? Yeah, that's for you to eat. Another one pea. Okay, let's play bye-bye, Dada.